AC condensate lines draining into older iron drain pipes can be tricky, especially when you're dealing with smells and clogs that cause leaks. So, first off, make sure your AC condensate line has a proper trap, like a P-trap, to stop sewer gases from sneaking back into your home. If there isn't one, definitely get it installed. Next, you want to check that the drain line is vented correctly. This means either venting it through the roof or using an air admittance valve like a Studer vent if your local codes allow that. The vent helps prevent negative pressure from pulling sewer smells into your house. Also, avoid just leaving the pipe open where the AC fan can suck air through. That's how those odors and even mold problems start. When connecting different pipe sizes, a sealed connection is usually better for stopping smells, but it has to be done right, with the right materials and traps in place. If the plumber is worried about rubber connections causing a smell problem, ask if there are alternatives that still keep things sealed and code compliant. Finally, make sure the float switch on your condensate line is positioned so it'll shut off the system if water backs up. This saves you from water damage if a clog happens. One of the biggest mistakes with AC condensate lines is skipping the P-trap or venting entirely, which lets sewer gases in and causes bad smells. Fix that by installing a proper trap and venting system. Another common issue is using the wrong materials or poor connections between pipes of different sizes, which can cause leaks or clogs. Always use code-approved fittings and seal connections properly. Lastly, ignoring the float switch setup means you won't get early warnings of clogs or backups leading to water damage. Make sure it's installed correctly and tested regularly. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like AC condensate line issues right. And for contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done without the headaches.